Welcome to my channel. My name is Peter. Would you like to learn how to forecast in which direction US30 will move next? Would you like to know if we are going up or down? I have a good news for you, because today I will teach you how to use projections so you too can become a US30 wizard. You might have heard about an ABCD pattern. I call it a projection. It works very well on many indexes or crypto, but it works the best on the US30 index, and I will be surprising you today with how it works very well. Let's start from the beginning. We could compare the Dow Jones. Looks very similar to sea waves, as you can see on the photo. We have the main primary trend, which can last a couple of years. We have secondary trend, which may last weeks or months. And we have ripples, the minor movements that are day-to-day market fluctuations. Let me show you what the little wave looks like on a daily chart. Okay, so this is our wave. This is our projection as well. When we have this pattern, we're trying to identify from here, which is A, this is our B, this is our C, and the Dow Jones is moving up, and we are trying to identify where is it going to go to. And sometimes we're not sure exactly where, but if we take this tool here, you will see from here till there, like this, and you have 100% projection. So what would happen normally, the Dow Jones would come to 100%, it could be like 78 as well, but in this case we've got 100%, and in 100% it would reverse back. Before I will show you real examples, let me remind you again. So we have A here, then there is a B point, there is a C, and then as the Dow Jones makes its way up, it goes above B level. That's when we can see very clearly that projection pattern is taking place. And we are trying to find out D, which is a potential reversal zone. Okay, so let's have a look now at the real examples, and you will be surprised how many of them we can find almost every day on Dow Jones. Okay, so let's go. This is our A. We go from here. This is our B. And this is our C. We're trying to find out where is D. Okay, let's go like this. So you can see from here till there, till here, and my zone where I think is going to reject will be at 50%. That's the next level that we might have a rejection. We are very close to this 50%, which could be a rejection. So we could see potentially something like this. We're going to go here, we're going to go to this area, we will have a rejection because this is our projection taking place. We're going to go down around till 4 o'clock. After 4 p.m. UK time, we might have a bounce back, reversal back up, and that could happen actually. That is very possible. Okay, let me show you some other examples, and you will be surprised how many of them we can find on daily charts of Dow Jones. Also, I would like to let you know that you can use these projections on 2-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame as well. So it really depends on the situation. I'm actually using it always on 1-hour time frame. Here is another example. So we can see this is A, this is B, this is C. We have our projection ABCD pattern taking place. So we are trying to identify where is D. And in order to do so, we're going to use this tool again here. We're going to go from here till the bottom. And let's see if we were correct. And I think that is going to go around 50%. So that's the area I would target. And that's where possibly we're going to have a rejection and we could open a sale position. Let's have a look. Yeah, correct. Yes, so we could see that there was a rejection here, and this pattern worked out very well. We're in a very good profit. We could have actually opened position over here and get some profit on the way up, and also position here, or maybe here when we have this sales signal, and we would be also in a very good profit as the Dow Jones was dropping. Okay, so let me show you one more example. We're gonna go from here. This is our A, this is our B, okay, this one, and this is our C over here. Okay, let's put it this way. So we have A, B, C, and we are trying to identify where is our D. And when there is a D, there's a reversal taking place. Hopefully it will take place. So I would think it would happen about 50% or maybe 6180. Let's see what happened. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. That's unbelievable. That really played very well. So this projection was amazing because we went to 50, we went to 61, we had a massive drop. So if you actually followed from the beginning, you would be in a really big profit here. And I personally think that many people know about this pattern, but they're not really using it so much because I've noticed that on other indexes, it is not really working out so well as on Dow Jones. In crypto trading, it's okay, but if you look at Dow Jones, it's amazing. I mean, if you train yourself to find these projection patterns, it's like almost able to forecast every day which way the market will go and when will Dow Jones drop, where is the reversal zone as well. Now let's have a look. We had a look at the bearish scenario where the projection goes and the Dow Jones drops. Now let's have a look at the opposite. Opposite looks like this. We have A on the top, we have B here, we have C, and as it goes down below B level, we are trying to project where D is gonna be. And once D happens, we will be looking for reversal back up. And we also have many examples of this happening and taking place in Dow Jones. I did check other indexes, and trust me, Dow Jones is the best for this particular pattern. Here is a very good example of a drop couple of weeks ago. So we have our A, we have B, we have C. Let's have a look. So we're going to go from here till here until C, okay? Like this. So what's happening here? I can see the projection is happening because this Dow Jones is dropping more than B, and it's already dropped below this level, and I think we could have a reversal very soon. It could be 78.60%, although we could also have a reversal at 100%. So to be on a safe side, I will wait for the candles on 1 hour time frame to show us a little bit more information before I would open buy position. Let's have a look what's happened there. That is incredible. So you see, actually it hit 100%. We had the projection here, and it came back all the way up. So that's an example of a drop. I showed you again very simple example of how the projection works in both ways. And I would like to ask you to pay attention this week and next week and try to learn to identify those patterns, because you'll be very profitable if you do. You will be in a position to identify potential reversal taking place. In that case, reversal when we come to D, going down, and in that case, when we are coming down and we reversing back up. And I think tomorrow we could have a reversal from here going up, possibly. If it's going to happen, fantastic. If it's not going to happen, then we're going to let the market drop. You might say, yes, I know this, A, B, C, D, that's basic stuff. What are you talking about? Well, yes, it is very basic stuff, but tell me, why aren't people using that basic stuff? Why aren't they still actually losing money when it is so basic? That's what I don't understand.